How's it going, everybody? We are going to switch out this muffler today. As you can see, this is a aspirated pre-cleaner, and the hose broke, or the hose wasn't on when I bought this tractor, and a regular muffler is about $100 cheaper, so we're going to do away with the aspirated muffler and aspirated pre-cleaner, and we're just going to go to a regular muffler, and I'm going to put a straight pipe and a intake cap on top of that intake instead of the aspirated intake. So we're going to start. Take the side shields off. Just two rubber straps that hold that on. And then we will get into the muffler. I've got a new one sitting over there on the other tire. This one is pretty loose, so we're just going to take it apart. We had to put a cap on this pipe going to the air cleaner because I didn't have the exhaust hose for it, so it's just been capped up anyway, so it's not doing me any good. The muffler that is on this tractor is just about wore out anyways. It's rusted through. I've got a muffler patch on it just to keep the exhaust from coming into the cab. So we're going to start by taking this pipe off. Maybe. I think we're going to have to take that clamp off first. So we can take this muffler clamp off. This tractor is awfully loud with this muffler on it. The baffles are all gone. Ready to have something a little quieter. There's the cap we made. It's just a pipe going from the muffler. The muffler is supposed to pull some of the big particles of dirt into the exhaust and blow it out. So it's not going into the air filter, but we will just replace the air filter or blow the air filter out more frequently. Like I say, the pipe isn't attached anyway, so it's not doing me much good. You can see there's my patch that I put on it to keep that hole covered. But we'll do that. I'll go get the muffler, and we might have to put a new muffler clamp on. We'll go ahead and get this on. Okay, we had to run to the parts store, get a new muffler clamp. Didn't need to necessarily, but if I'm putting a new muffler on, I'm going to put a new exhaust clamp on. So we're going to get this put on here real quick. This buttoned up. And I'm still waiting for the cap for the air intake. I've got the pipe. It's a 5-inch pipe. I've got it ready. Just got to get the cap here. The next project I have, I want to get the air conditioning fixed. The guy I bought this tractor from last year said that the air conditioning hasn't worked since the year after he bought it. He bought it in 1983, so it's been a while. So if we're going to do it, we're going to do everything. We're going to replace the whole system. So it's going to be a big cost, but it needs done. Sometimes it's just about unbearable sitting in this hot cab all day. But a little bit at a time, we'll get everything fixed. But that's the next big project. And then I want to get the cab kit. I want to buy a cab kit for it and get that put in. So we've got that on. Let's start this thing, see what it sounds like. Okay. Sounded good. Get this side shield put back in place. Like so. And I've got some hay to bale today. I'm gonna rake and bale. And then once I get the exhaust cap or that intake cap, we'll put it on and get this thing all squared away. Welcome back, everybody. We're raking hay here. Got the white 2135 and a Kuhn SR112 speed rake. It's working pretty good. We've got just a couple acres here. We're gonna do plenty dry, and then I'm gonna unhook the rake and hook the baler up and get this stuff baled up. We've got rain coming tonight, and we want to get this finished up today, so I'll let you guys go and watch everything work, and we'll see you when we get to baling. Give you guys a view here and get this field finished up. Got rain coming tonight, so we need to get this done, and we'll get the bales off the field whenever we get around to it, as long as we don't get too much rain. Don't mind that ugly bale. I was gonna let that one off in front of the camera, and of course the one bale that decided to miss today was the one that I wanted to finish the video in, so oh well. We've done pretty good so far today. Like I said earlier, we don't have air conditioning that's working, so it's pretty hot. Most of the metal in this cab is about 130 degrees. But we'll just go ahead and keep on rolling this up. It's awfully rough in this field too, so I've been running in third gear. I usually run in fourth when I'm baling, but it's rough and I'm missing. I broke some teeth today on the outside of the pickup, and I don't have any extras with me, and I'm just, I'll tell you what, I'm about ready to get out of this tractor. I love doing it, but I wish it was a little more comfortable. But if I keep making videos and keep getting some subscribers and some views, if we can start making just a little bit of money, that'll help. That'll help offset some of the cost of running this stuff. So I'm gonna finish up here, and I hope you guys like what I do and want to keep watching. If you guys do, comment down below. I'd like to go through a video and show you some of the differences between this and maybe a John Deere Sound Guard and an International. So if you guys want to see that, comment down below. But I really appreciate you guys watching, and I hope you all have a blessed day and come back for more. Have a good one.